So as an internet device, the HTab is actually pretty awesome. It's got these shortcuts right here on the home screen where you can kind of click to directly. Obviously, you can change those, of course, from the browser, take away from them, or add to them as you wish. But the first thing you've got to do before you can actually get online is you've got to connect to a Wi-Fi network. And so to do that, you click down here where the time is, and this little notification will kind of pop up. You can either click right here, this icon that indicates settings, or just click the whole thing. I'll get some shortcuts to a couple settings I can modify right off the bat. Kind of, change your notifications, change the brightness of the screen if you want to, change whether or not you want it to auto-rotate. In our case, we want to change the Wi-Fi settings. And again, I know the quality of this video isn't the greatest. You may not be able to read this, but it says to see available networks, turn Wi-Fi on. And I can do that from right here. I can just slide that over to on. And it says turning Wi-Fi on. I'm just going to wait for a minute. It'll show me available networks right off the bat. I can click on that if I want to connect to that, and enter password if that's applicable. In my case, I actually want to enter the broadcast name of a network that's not actually broadcasting its name. And it's all caps, and so to do that, I'm going to hit the capital button twice. Hit done. I'm going to hit save. And what it'll do now is it's just going to take a second, kind of connect to it. Boom. You'll see right here it has connected to the network. It's obtaining the IP address, and then it says connected. And you see this icon that just appeared here. And then I don't know if you can tell, but it just turned blue. And that indicates that I am actually online. And you'll see arrows kind of going back and forth, up and down. And that indicates that I am now, online on the internet. And I can select something here and, and surf to it. So let's say in our case we want to go to, let's go to Yahoo. So you click on that, and it's just and it kind of depends on your internet connection on how fast that page will load, but it loads pretty quickly if you've got a fast connection. So it's this bar right here indicates how quick it's getting its information from your connection. And obviously Yahoo's trying to get me to do something here, but you can kind of scroll through and rock and roll, and you're on the internet.